So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fold pet hoodies. We're using Marie Kondo's KonMari method, changed to work for us. Easily folded, easy storage, tidy, and easy to find when you need them. So I have a purple fleece hoodie and a knitted Christmas sweater with a fleece hood. And we have a Halloween costume, which is a skunk, which is really, really thick, but it has a hood too. So here we have a hoodie that is Velcro. Make sure it's all nicely together. Fold it to that middle line, but not over. And on this side, fold it to that middle line, but not over. And then you can just fold it with that pocket line to keeping it still. Doing a few of those. And then folding it right into the hoodie so that it will hold its shape. And you know it's a hoodie, it will sit up on its own, and it will even fit inside a tissue box. Or a shoe box would probably work better. And I have one that is a Christmas hoodie. Same thing. But it has the fluffy top and the ball. So it's kind of nice to keep that showing. And again, I'm just going to go to the middle. To the middle, make sure you're smoothing it with the so that it stays and retains shape better. And then fold it into the hoodie. And then you can just have them sitting beside each other. Colors. Halloween costume, because I don't want to damage this by having it inside. So, if I were to make sure these are attached to each other so that we don't end up wrecking the fabric. And then, this is very thick material, so I'm not going to hold it there. Tuck the tail in. And there we have it. 3 cute. That one's not going to stay up as well, so you just kind of, once you do that, it does better. It gives it a flat bottom. There, so we have our 3 little hoodies for little Miss Bean. And they will fit on top of a shelf nicely. They will fit inside of a drawer. They will fit inside of a shoebox. A couple of them. Tuck this in a little. You can just take one out without making a mess of all the others. And it's an old shoebox. So try out the old shoebox to see if it works for you first. It's upside down and they didn't fall out. I wouldn't say to stuff any more in because then it might cause damage. And since we definitely have more clothing for little Miss Bean, then it will work wonderful. If I want to have her little, if I want to have her little hoodies in here and add more items, like her winter coat and her sweater, fuzzy sweater, winter coat, raincoat, and pajamas coming up next time. Please subscribe and check out next week's video.